Alrighty guys, so we just got out of Nelson's Fireworks. Huge shout out to them. They hooked me up. I got to get a good amount of stuff, good prices, very helpful. I'll definitely be back. This will not be my last time there. And I got this box of fireworks, which we'll get into once we get out of the vehicle. And then we're heading to another place to possibly shoot some and possibly purchase some more. So stay tuned for that.
That is some Joker fireworks.
So yeah guys, also my little brother, he's really into Joker right now. And I told him there's such thing as a Joker fountain. And we found one at the store. So he's really excited about that. We're out at a fireworks range, guys. I'm just talking real fast. I'll give y'all some footage. Here we go, bye. Man. Guys, while it's quiet, we're about to do a squad. Get ready. It's crazy, guys. When we get home, I'll show you what's left over of my fireworks stash.
My Joker.
Go.
Hello guys, I'm gonna light up my Joker.
Alright, let's go.
Go. Aaron, look.
He's screaming like a Joker. Still going.
Still going.
No, oh, yep. He's tricking you. He's tricking you. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Yeah, look.
There he goes. He's going to go some more. He's tricking you.
There you go. 1-inch firework. Here we go. This one's fast. This is a fast burner. Back up.
Back up, Jonah. Back up. Oh.
Whoa, that's huge for a 1-inch. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Those are really cool. Nice little cake. That was crazy. The chameleon and the 1-incher. Let's go. Frick. Ugh. Nice. All right, now I'm gonna do the chameleon here. Frick. Wow, that one changed from red to white. Alright, one more chameleon color change show. Pretty easy. It's chameleon, reptiles. Yeah, we did it. Whoa! Let's go. Alrighty, guys. We are back home. Wow. This is our fireworks stash so far. It Doesn't seem like a lot, but it really is a lot. So we're gonna get down into it. Let's get started. So first off, we have some crackling balls. Very simple, a 6-count bag. I love these guys though, so I get a whole bunch all the time because they're not too crazy, but they're super fun. Just throw, just pop, and have. So I've got 4, 5, 6 bags of these, and then I've been looking all over for these. We finally found some. There's 2 left. These are ground lines. They're basically, one of these is like the equivalent to 4 of those. These are super awesome. So those are pretty darn cool. So we had a lot more, but we shot a lot too and used up a lot. So you may be wondering like why it's so small and why it's all just like this. But we had a lot more and we used a lot. But this will be saved for the years to come for sure. Next up, we have just a regular 4-pack of Roman candles. I had a coupon for these. Super simple, super fun though. Original classics Roman candles. Never go wrong with those. Here we have some bottle rockets. These are jumbo rockets. They report, so they do explode at the end. Very simple, just light the fuse and they go bye-bye. We have 4 of these. We had 6, 2 of them were shot. And over here in some more of our novelty stuff, we have 2 packs of these small bees. Pretty simple, they just fly up and buzz around. Here we have maximum load M70 crackers. These are a little bit bigger. These are super cool. And we have quite a bit of them too, so that'll for sure last us quite a while. Here we have some snappers, but I'll give these to my brother. And then we have a pack of little dynamites. These are waterproof. I wanted these as opposed to the regular Black Cats because their fuse is longer, so it'll be easier to hold them and throw them as opposed to the regular ones. And they're waterproof, so I can throw them in the pool for a super cool effect. Pretty awesome. Here we have some of these little fountain-like thingies. The fuses are super hardcore. They're hard to light, but these fuses are cool because, you know, it gives me some chance to get away. Basically, it just flashes, creates a cool effect. And here we have a package of tanks, just the classic little firework tanks. It was like $6 for this pack, and I love these guys. Very easy to light, very fun. Classic originals. So we got a little army tank. These guys report, so they explode at the end. Super cool. Here, I also had a coupon for this. This is a Saturn missile battery pack. Super cool. 100 shots. Saturn missiles are alright. Now, these aren't my favorite firework in the world just because all they do is squeal. Sometimes they're a little annoying. But to have a little 100 shot like this to add your collection is always pretty nice. Here we have what's left of a quad tube. I'm probably gonna have to throw this out because as you can see the whole bottom's busted up. I don't know why they sold me a tube that can't even withstand its own power. So this kind of sucks because this is a pretty nice tube. But I'm gonna have to probably get rid of that. It still stands on its own, but it's a little wonky and I don't like that. And I'll show you what shells that goes to. So the shells for that bad boy are these. Now these are very powerful. This is a quad shot, so you see it's got this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I've got 3 of these left. These are super cool, but they're so powerful. Here I have another one that's similar to that tube. I could always put these in here. My only thing is I don't want them to crack the base of this guy because then I'll just waste another thing. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye out and think of some ideas. Here we have some 1-inch mini bombs. These are super awesome. Now they're only $4.99 for a pack, and it's a little mini mortar tube and some little smaller shells. Now these things pack a punch. They were worth everything that you pay for, so I ended up getting 4 more later on after using some of this one. So now I have 5-ish to use, but they're super worth it. They're super powerful, super awesome. I definitely recommend these. Now we're getting onto our cakes. So we just have this little 9-shot shark bait. This one's really cool because the shells or the little flaming balls kind of veer around like little fishies swimming around. These are super cool. And it's tiny. It's like a $2 cake, so these are really worth it. Here we have the Nitro 28-shot finale. I saw a video on this. Looked super dope. And it's got good reviews, things like that. So I had to pick this up for $15. Wonderful looking cake, as you can see. Then here another good cake, very heavy, very solid, is the Air Force and then the Marines cake. It was a buy one get one, so I decided to get this one and then get that one free. Also really cool cakes. These guys will definitely do the trick. Super cool. These are military too. And now here we have the chameleon shells. Now the reason I got these is because they were a good price. It was a sturdy pack and chameleon, and since I'm a reptile guy, you know, it kind of makes sense. So those are the shells. So they change colors. They're super awesome. Like they'll change from blue to purple, all these crazy colors as they explode. Super awesome. And last but not least, we had our next mortar tube. Also very cheap, but very effective. This was $9 and it came with a 6 count. These guys, I have 3 left. They just crackle, so they shoot up and crackle like a white glow. But they're super cool for the price, and the tube held up very well as well. So we've got 3 mortar tubes, some cakes, or actually 4 mortar tubes, some cakes, just a bunch of little novelties, bottle rockets. Pretty good collection, and that collection will continue to build up over time. So yeah, guys, we also have this guy here. Now this is by Black Cat. It's called the Chameleon. Also pretty cool because it's chameleon, reptiles, yeah. Now this is super cool because of the fact that it's 3-inch shells. Look at how wide that is. So here's my hand. So the break on these should be pretty darn awesome. And it's 9 shots. So it'll go boom, 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 or boom, 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 boom. And these will be super sick. I mean, this cake, I guess you would call it, is super big right now. As you can see, it's heavy. It looks good, so pretty awesome, guys. So I'm gonna have to end it here. It's been a long day. I'm getting tired. I'll edit this video in the following days. I hope you enjoyed. It's a super fun day. Thank you to my parents for taking me out there. All this cool, crazy stuff, guys. Look at that. So more videos to come because this is Pyro Toad. So pyro being fireworks. So you're gonna have a little bit of both. But reptile videos will be coming out. As y'all saw, I did a cane toad care video, super epic video. Y'all should check it out. But that's about it for me, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.